Tic-Tac-Toe Bolt. How to play. This compact, portable mini-game box has 3 different games you can play. Infinite tic-tac-toe. Slide the power switch to single player to play against the device, or 2-player to play against a friend. The object of the game is to get 3 in a row by playing tic-tac-toe by tapping the screen to place your symbol. However, only 3 marks are allowed at a time for each player. When your 4th mark is tapped, your oldest mark will disappear. When playing against the AI, it will automatically adjust its difficulty based on how often you beat it. Memory flash. Slide the power button to the dotted circle. The object of the game is to tap the shown pattern in the correct order as its complexity slowly increases. Complete the stage to advance to the next. There are 3 stages per level, all with increasing difficulty. Complete all 9 levels to win. Cover up tic-tac-toe. The object is to get 3 in a row. Remove the top lid to access the pieces. Assemble the tic-tac-toe grid, and each player picks a color and takes the pieces. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you may either place one of your pieces on an empty space, cover up any smaller piece already in play, or you can move one of your pieces already in play to an empty space or to cover up a smaller piece already in play. Only the topmost piece in a space may be moved. The first player to get 3 in a row wins.